Today we will discuss some problems in our logic building series. So today we will discuss like finding maximum element, finding minimum element, and next finding sum of elements and finding average of elements, and finding largest second largest element and second smallest element in the array. Okay, let's start. While writing the code, I will explain how it works actually. Yeah, you want to see the tracing means you can see here. I will also explain. Okay, let's start coding. A main method int arr equal to 10 1 25 7 5. Okay, next we'll take one method public static int. It will return maximum of element, so it will read int only, so that's okay. We'll take int arr. Yeah, so let's write the code. First we will take int maximum element equal to arr of 0. Like while solving or while checking in your mocks or in your school age, you want to check who is highest marks, who have highest marks means you will compare with another person. First you know some first you know your marks, then we will compare with others. Like that only, first we will take some, like array of 0 is highest marks means 11 means 10 is the highest marks, we'll consider like that. And next we will know who is okay. Array dot length I plus plus, if max less than array of I, max equal to array of I. Okay, and return max. Watch complete video, you will understand. Yeah, once we will run and check it's run. Yeah, we are getting output 25. Let's trace the code. Like our maximum element, max element is 10. Here you can see array of 0 means 10. Next we are checking, we are traversing from I equal to 0 to I less than array dot length, and we are comparing. Like if max less than array of I, now max equal to 10, array of I means array of 0, array of 0 10, 10 less than 10 no, so it will not execute. And next increment I equal to 1, 1 less than max means 10, 10 less than 1 no, false. Next max is 10 and array of I means array of 2 is 25, 10 less than 25, so update max equal to array of I means here what will happen means max equal to array of 2 means array of 2 equal to 25, so max will update it to 25. And next again it will check, so now new max value is 25, so it will check again array of max equal to 25, 25 less than array of 3, array of 3 is 11 7, 25 less than 7 no, and next 25 less than 5 no, so it will return the maximum value, return max equal to 25. Yeah, here you can see also, like maximum equal to 10, we want highest is 89. Like compare with next and update if bigger, like 25 greater than 10 no, so max equal to 25, 25 greater than 10, so max equal to 25. Next 7 less than 25, so we will ignore. 89 greater than 25, so max equal to 89. 32 less than 89, so it will ignore. Yeah, you can once check here the code and we'll move to the next. Next we will solve minimum problem, minimum element in the array. Same like that only. You can see here int min equal to array of 0. First we will take min equal to 5. First min equal to 5. It will traversal through array. 5 less than 2. True. So min will be 2 now. Min equal to 2. So the new min value is 2. And 2 less than 4. False. So it will not execute. Next 2 less than 1. True. So min will be updated to 1. Next 1 less than 3. False. 3 less than 1. False. Next 2 less than 1. False. Yeah. So it will return 1. You can see here. Same here. You can check this in. You can check this in image. Min equal to 10. We want 7. Means the smallest value in the array. Compare with next and update if smaller. Like compare with next. 25. 25 greater than 10. So ignore. Next. 7 less than 10. So update min equal to 7. Next. 89 greater than 7. So ignore. 32 greater than 7. So ignore. So min value equal to 7. Like that only here we performed. Next we'll discuss sum of all elements in an array. You know, sum means we want to place all the numbers. Same here. We will traversal through array. We'll take initially into sum equal to 0. We'll add all elements to here. Like sum plus equal to array of I. First, initially sum plus equal to array of I. Array of 0 means 1. So first it will be 1. Next sum will be updated to sum equal to 1. Next 11. Array of 1 equal to 11. So 1 plus 11. Next 1 plus 11 means sum will be updated to 12. Like this it will traversal through array and it will update the sum. And you can check the output here. Output is 42. You can add all these. 11 plus 12, 12, 40, 24, 26, 42. Yeah. Now we will see average. Average means, you know, sum of all elements by array of number of elements. Yeah, I forgot. Sum of all elements means here already you seen sum of all elements 42. Here it will differ, like sum of all elements by number of elements. Number of elements means array dot length. Array dot length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length is 5. Indexing is different. Length is different. Indexing start from 0. Length we will count from 1. Okay. Don't confuse. Yeah. Here you can see 3.0. We are returning double. So it's giving 3.0. Like that. If you return int, like if you don't want this, like you want to return int value, you can return. Yeah. Here you can see 3. The output is. Okay. Next we'll discuss some interesting problem like second largest element and second smallest element. Okay. Now we will discuss second largest element. Till now you seen the maximum element means largest element. Now we will see second largest element in the array. Like we have some default predefined methods like integer dot min value and integer dot min value. Like integer dot min value means nothing but it was minus infinity. Yeah, okay, and minus infinity. So first we will check, like first for int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. First it will check like array of I will write here. Okay, once wait. write and explain here the code logic. Okay, how it happens. Like first you can see array of 5 greater than largest, array of 0 greater than largest. Largest is, you can say -1 you can take, or here only I will take, you don't confuse, I will take -1. Okay, yeah, -1. Okay, first we will compare array of I. Array of I means 10, array of 0 means 10. 10 greater than -1. Yes, true. So it will be 10 greater than largest. So it will update like second equal to largest. Current largest is -1. So second equal to -1 and largest equal to, yeah, okay, yeah, we'll write array here, we can easily understand. Okay, I think so. Okay, yeah, so largest equal to 10. Next, I equal to 1. I equal to 1 means 25. 25 greater than 10. 25 greater than 10. So it will update like second equal to largest. Largest is 10. So second equal to 10 and largest equal to array of 1. Array of 1 means 25. Okay. Next, array of 2. Array of 2 means 7 greater than 25. 7 greater than 25. It is false. So we will check else if condition like 7 greater than 10. False. So we will not check this condition. We don't want to check again. So next step. Yeah. Array of 0, 1, 2, 3. Array of 3. Array of 3 is 89. 89 greater than 25. True. 89 greater than 25. True. So it will update to second equal to largest. Largest is 25 currently. So second equal to 25 and large equal to 89. Okay. Next step. Here you can see. Next 32. 32 greater than 89. False. So it will not execute. Okay. Next. So we will check else if condition. 39 greater than current of second 25. 39 greater than 25. True. So 32. Okay. No worries. 32 greater than 25. True. And we want to check this condition also. Array of I not equal to largest means 32 not equal to 89. True. Both the conditions are satisfied. So we will update second equal to array of I. Second equal to array of I means 32. So the new index is second largest equal to 32 and first largest equal to 89. Okay, you understand the tracing. Once you want to see means you can repeat that. Okay, we'll run the code once. Here it is 32. Yeah. Okay, here also you can see the theory, same logic. We taken like minus infinity like this, smallest. Here we taken like, you can understand easily, -1 like that. Okay, once check the code and you can understand. Once check the code and check the tracing part also, what I have done. It's 1 minute video, you can revisit that 1 minute, you can understand clearly. Okay, Okay, we will discuss again this tracing in second smallest also. Same logic we want to, like here the greater than and greater than, and here we kept less than symbol. Again we will trace the program so you will understand clearly. Okay, for less than in second smallest number. Okay, here we will take an array, this array. Okay, okay, we will trace the code like here. For easy purpose, we want maximum value means we'll take the 999 value, like this code 999. Okay, I did not created the nodes for second smallest. I can explain here only, no worries. Okay, and I think some error. Okay, error rectified. Okay, it's okay. Okay, now we will compare and trace the program. Like array of 0, array of 0 means 10, 10 less than 999, 4 nines. Yeah, true. So second equal to minimum value, the min value is 4 nines only, so second equal to nines, and min equal to array of 5, array of 5 means 10, so min equal to 10. And next array of 1, array of 1 25, 10 less than 25, false, so it will not execute. We will check the else if condition, 10 less than 999, 4 nines, and the condition is true, so we will check the end condition, 10 not equal to minimum value is 10, so here it was not satisfied, so it will not execute. And next we will go to the array of 2, 7 less than minimum value is 10, 7 less than 10, true, so second equal to 10 and min equal to 7. Okay, yeah. Next minimum value is updated to 7, second minimum value is updated to 10. Yeah, next 89 less than 7, the condition is false, so we will check the else if condition, 89 less than 10, the condition is false, so we don't want to visit that condition. Again 32 less than 7, false, and 32 less than 10, false, so the second smallest value is 10. Let's print the value. Yeah, here you can see the output is 10. Okay, you can see all the videos, you can see all the problems once again. This is the series from basic logic building finding. In next videos we will see some more videos, 1 2 videos for basic logic building, and then we will go to the basic problems in array, and next playlist will be medium problems in an array, and later hard problems in an array. We will solve lead code problems in that list. Okay, keep following. Thank you.